Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in this same page on this regard regarding the ongoing civil justice sign-off process, and it is because the USA nation created injustice to me, and I want civil justice to be served immediately in front of all nations, in front of entire human kingdom. And it is, I will read this civil justice. It goes like: victims of abuse, patients, medical compensations, claims billing process as of February 2021. Prostitution, Babylon, USA at fault, found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021, a nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil law justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law hell poverty mandate. So civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A, USA prostitution criminal, Britain retails must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. So that means the Britain retails also created the robocall, right? That is, they could have educated USA, should not create poverty. That's a fatal negligence. That's a crime. So part B, USA prostitution. Civil Britain retails must sign tax-free $500,000 and send 1,000,000 direct deposit to my bank account. And for Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created N-word and dogs addressed to mankind and to destroy human brain nerves worldwide with fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And prostitution USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty, USA nation enforced crime 1 USA nation poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, and crime 2 USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandate to disability to I Vedapriya Prose, and crime 3 USA nation finance debt $10,210.38 mandated to I Vedapriya Prose. And the 3 counts of crime of USA comes under the classification of domestic violence types and breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types. And at fault found guilty, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose, for I Vedapriya Prose should have been elected as Supreme Court Judge of USA on October 2018, and just to steal the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose alone, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018, and I Vedapriya Prose wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. The Roman province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now, for Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence for total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law agency of USA. So Jesuits Roman province of USA must pay tax-free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, I should get the civil justice immediately. I am in absolute finance crisis, and USA should provide me free housing, free vehicle, free finance aid, free salary, right? And I will get it only in the front of entire human kingdom according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.